Hello everyone, and welcome to Practicing with ICD-10-PCS Coding. Today we're going to go over how to code from the placement section. Just like all our other ICD-10-PCS codes, the placement section also has 7 characters. The character code format for the placement section is as follows. Character 1 is for the section, character 2 is for the body system, character 3 is for the root operation, character 4 is for the body system, character 5 is for the approach, character 6 is for the function, and character 7 is for the qualifier. We have 7 root operations that you will see in the placement section. These root operations are change, compression, dressing, immobilization, packing, removal, and traction. Let's look at the definitions for these root operations. Remember, if you open up your ICD-10-PCS code book, in the back, there are the root operation definitions for all of the sections in the ICD-10-PCS codebook. So the definition for change is taking out or off a device from a body region and putting back an identical or similar device in or on the same body region without cutting or puncturing the skin or a mucous membrane. The definition for compression is putting pressure on a body region. The definition for dressing is putting material on a body region for protection. The definition for immobilization is limiting or preventing motion of a body region. The definition of packing is putting material in a body region or orifice. The definition of removal is taking out or off a device from a body part. And finally, the definition for traction is exerting a pulling force on a body region in a distal direction. So let's go ahead and practice with a couple cases from the placement section. Our first one is a 16-year-old who comes in for placement of packing material that is inserted in the right ear. So what is our root operation for this procedure, and what is our PCS code? So hopefully everyone has the root operation is packing. We covered this a couple slides ago. And remember, the definition of packing is putting material in a body region or orifice. So when you look this up, you open up your PCS code book in the index. We're going to look up packing, our root operation. Then we're going to go to ear, and we're given our complete 7-character code there, which is 2Y42X5Z. Let's do one more case. Practice case number 2. We have a 35-year-old with mechanical traction of the left leg. So again, what would our root operation be? That's always the first question you ask yourself as a coder when you're coding ICD-10-PCS procedure codes. And then from there, what is your ICD-10-PCS code? Hopefully everyone said traction. The definition for traction is exerting a pulling force on a body region in a distal direction. So to find this code, again, you open up your PCS codebook index at the beginning of your PCS codebook. You're going to go to traction. Then under that, you're going to see extremity, lower left. And from there, you're going to assign code 2W6MX 0Z.